everybody, I've just thought I'd pop in because everybody likes to see an unboxing video, and this is the new moulds, whoa, from Katy Sue. There we go. So let's see what I've got. This is so exciting because I don't get to see them until I've got them. Let's have a look. Let's see, okay, so first let's straighten the camera, okay, let's go. So, oh wow, look at these. So we've got birds and flowers. Oh my dears, these are lovely. Look how detailed, absolutely amazing. So that's one. And mini cherubs, absolutely gorgeous. These are tiny compared to the other cherubs, so I wonder what jewellery I could do with these. I'm sure I could do something quite different. Okay. Oh wow. Roses, very detailed. And this is the basket weave. Now the basket weave's already been on TV on Hochanda, so you can get that, but all of the others are completely new. So I'll be back soon with probably a tutorial and something I've made with these. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye. It's Victoria again from Lots of Love and Glitter. I thought, since I did the unboxing or enveloping for the Katy Sue, these arrived not long after, so this is a box of Fimo in colours I've never used. To be perfectly honest, I do prefer Sculpey, but I saw these on Crafty Rachel on YouTube, and I thought I'll try these colours. So there we go. This box is from Craft Merrily. Their prices seem very reasonable, so here we go. Now firstly, if anybody who knows me knows I love rose gold, so it's hard to see the effects. So put another light on, see if that'll help. It's a pearlescent rose gold colour. Obviously we'll not get the true colour until it's baked anyway. So I've got two of those. Yeah, two of those. This is silver, but it's not a metallic silver, it's a pearlescent silver. So I thought I'd try that. It's very light in colour, but I thought I'd try that because it looks really pretty. Well, it's really hard to see in this light, I don't know. Oh, does that help? No, not really. We'll see what it looks like once it's baked. Hopefully that might help. I also got a pearlescent black, which has mica in it. Nice. Yep, that's better. And last but not least, metallic blue. It's called metallic sapphire. It's a lot darker and more blue in the camera. So metallic sapphire number 38, pearl black 907, pearlescent silver 817. And last but not least, which I think is going to be my favourite, pearl rose gold 207. These are all quite firm, which is partly the reason I'm not a female person, but if I like the colour, I like the colour, so there you go. Looking forward to trying these. Thanks again for watching. Quickly, I got some micro marbles. These are all very static at the moment, but they are tiny, in silver, rose gold and gold. I didn't get these from Craft Merrily, I got these from AliExpress. I've got some tiny little gems. They kind of look, I don't know if you can see, they kind of look opalescent. These are glass, but I won't bake them in the polymer clay. I'll pop them in and then push them out before baking and glue them back. But these are in green, blue, pink, white, yellow, but they've got a very opalescent. And these are tiny little studs. Let's see if I can get one out and show you the colour. There you go. Sort of a mother of pearl. And they're on all different sizes as well. These were from AliExpress. These are all brilliant things to add into your polymer clear. There you go. Okay, that is really it this time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon with hopefully a tutorial.